Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I recently did some shopping from Amazon for a campaign. It was a good mix of clothes and accessories. So I thought I should show you how I will style these pieces with each other. We have some kurtas, some jewelry, and also nightwear. I'll try on everything as always, so let's start. The first item of clothing is a pink embroidered kurta with pants. I love the beautiful pink color of this kurta. The fabric is breathable and is of good quality. The thing that attracted me to this set is the beautiful traditional embroidery on the front of this kurta. Overall, it's a good kurta set for those who love a comfortable traditional yet casual outfit. White and ivory hues are always in style, especially in summers. I picked this Aurelia white kurta set because white color adds a refreshing touch to one's style and personality. This Aurelia set was available in two colors, but I chose this ivory white. It's a complete set of kurta, trousers and dupatta. The fabric is in rayon, very soft and breathable. I love the chikankari kind of work on the front of the kurta and the sleeves details. The trouser has also similar color work and has a loose fit. The entire suit is a straight fit and makes it perfect for this season. The white dupatta is lightweight, comes with some silver dories on the edges. Since this is a three-piece set, I can style parts of it with other things as well. I bought silver jewelry set for this suit. The set includes one beautiful necklace, two earrings, one ring and one nose ring. The packaging is sturdy. Oxidized silver jewelry looks lovely with white, so let's try it on. I am wearing the earrings first. Now the necklace. Oh, it's looking so beautiful with this outfit. Really love it. This necklace is great for making a fashion statement with any ethnic outfit. The ring's design is also flattering, though a bit loose on my fingers but can be adjusted, so no worries. A perfect set of jewelry that is statement yet wearable at the same time will make an all-white outfit even prettier and elegant. Time to wear the nose ring, though I am not a big fan of nose rings, but let's see how it looks. Oh, look at it! Isn't it pretty? It adds a truly desi touch to my entire look. I can't imagine wearing this suit without this beautiful jewelry set. By the way, another piece of jewelry that I bought is this beautiful pair of Zaveri Pearls ethnic dangler earrings. It comes in this plastic box which is nice and secure. These are definitely statement earrings, long enough to touch your shoulders. The color is so awesome and unique. The beads are looking delicate and beautiful. I got it at a heavy discount for only 241 rupees. That was a good deal. These are not too heavy or lightweight. If you are one who can bear some weight, you will love these for the entire day. If not, these are perfect for decorating your outfit for a few hours. So the next kurta is this lovely green anarkali. This one from Janasya is perfect for a party or any festive occasion. Actually, I bought it keeping Eid in mind. You may have already seen me wearing this in my previous video. I also picked a pair of white pants with this kurta. These are from Biba. It is a cotton flax crafted pair with an elasticated waist. It has a small cut on the edges that look stylish. It's a smart looking pair. I can wear it with numerous summer tops and kurtas. Coming back to my kurta, I am so happy with all the praise and applause on this kurta and makeup I received from you all in my previous Eid video. The next kurta is this A-line crepe kurta again from Janasya. It was available in two colors. I chose this green one keeping monsoon in mind. I love wearing green in this season. This is the front wrap style of this kurta. Some bright and lovely floral prints on the front and sleeves. The kurta is slightly loose and long in length. I think I should pick one size smaller. The fabric is poly crepe and it has lining inside. I like the design and style but not a huge fan of this one. However, for 639 rupees it's not a bad deal. So now I will style my pink kurta with these white pants. The combination of white and pink looks really elegant and feminine. An easy fresh combination to put together, particularly for summer, is pink and white. You can keep your whole look soft and tonal by choosing such pink kurta, white pants or pair them with a white dupatta. Okay, so now let me show you the other pics. I bought nightwear as well. This is the first one that is red in color. This is available in many other colors too. The fabric is soft and nice and it's perfect fit. It's tailored well, and to see the price I am happy with this set. The price on the website is around 1900 rupees, that is not justified. But after the discount I got it for 699 rupees, that is reasonable. The pajama is also good in fitting and comfortable. I am not sure about the quality and color of this night set. Let's see how it stays after wash. The next set is this white cotton printed night suit from a brand Vimanoir. The fabric of this night set is better than the first one. It's soft cotton with lovely grey prints. The size is perfect for me. It's lightweight and comfy. It's not available at this time on Amazon, but you can get some other similar sets which I will link down below. I'll highly recommend it because finding these trendy night suits with collar and lower pockets at the cheap price is really difficult. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this try on and styling video. Don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.